DJ Flame It Up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Kiana, and I am here to show you some new products that I'm going to be using for my wash day. If you hadn't already subscribed to my channel, please do. Don't forget to like this video when it's over, and let's jump right into the video. Alright, so I just received my, my January curl box, and let me just tell you what was in this box. I received 5 products from Curlbox, and it's the new Creme Nature Aloe and Black Castor Oil line. So the first product that I received is the Aloe and Black Castor Oil Healthy and Long Fortified Shampoo. I just received these from my Curlbox, so I don't know the retail price of these. I don't think they're in stores as of yet. But this says it has conditioner oil, Jamaican black castor oil, and infused with vitamins. No sulfates, no silicones, no parabens, no petroleum, no mineral oil. And let me tell you something, it smells so good. It just smells amazing, and I like the consistency of it. It's like thick and creamy, but it's like that loose creamy. I don't know. I know I'm gonna like this, and I know that it's going to suds up really well. And then next up, it came with a pack of their protein treatment. So I added the protein treatment inside of a spray bottle. I didn't want to use it just like out of the packet like that. So this is for intensely dry, damaged hair. Conditioner oil, Jamaican black castor oil, and vitamin infused. This reminds me of the Afro-G protein treatment, because it does say to leave on your hair and use hot air to make your hair hard. And do not use a cap. This is exactly what the Afro-G protein treatment says. I think this is going to be just like it. It may not be as intense as the Afro-G, but it will definitely strengthen my hair. And then it says to follow up with their mask. So it's the Healthy and Long Fortified Hair Mask. It's for weak, breakage prone, and damaged hair. They all smell alike. I don't know. It just smells so good. I really wish it was like a candle. And this seems thick. So hopefully this is moisturizing, because I know that the protein treatment will dry out my hair a little bit because it is protein. So hopefully this puts moisture right back in. And then it came with their leave-in conditioner. Is the reconstructing anti-breakage leave-in. So you already know, like, the spray bottle situation. So let's see, we're pumping, we are there we go. So it comes out like a cream. Most likely I'm just going to open it up and use it. It feels really nice, and it just, everything just smells the same. It's an amazing smelling line. Better than the argan oil one, better than the honey one. This line smells amazing. I'm not even lying, no cap. So then we have the Roots Recharge Serum. So this is for you to add onto your scalp right after. It says it to promote hair growth, make your hair thicker. It says just to shake well and add a few drops and massage into your hair. Do not rinse out. But yeah, so that is my wash day. I already pre-pooed my hair with one of my old rinse out conditioners. So I'm going to wash this out, and I will come back when it's time for the shampoo. Hey guys, so I'm back. I just finished washing out my pre-poo. Water is dripping everywhere. So right now we're just going to use the shampoo, and the consistency, I'm not even squeezing it out, and it just comes out. I don't really like shampooing on camera, but whatever. Alright, so it feels really good. It's really moisturizing. It has like a menthol smell to it now. Yeah, so I'm not too sure why there's menthol in this. So yeah, I am going to wash this out and do one more rinse with it, and then I will be back when I'm finished shampooing. Alright, so I just finished shampooing my hair. I really want to know why this shampoo had menthol, like what is its benefits. It says menthol is an active ingredient that is often included in hair products and often other cosmetics in preparation for its cooling, scalp stimulated effects. Mentholated hair shampoos, ointments, and creams, like most medicated hair products, are formulated to soothe and treat conditions of their scalp. So it's not saying that it's bad for your hair. It is giving my hair a nice cooling sensation. Definitely when washing out the shampoo, I can smell the menthol like all in my nose, and I felt like, whoa, like I can breathe. I didn't know that I couldn't breathe. I don't know, it just wasn't for me. It's not like the Main Choice Exotic Kool-Aid shampoo, where this gives me a nice tingly refreshing feeling, but it's not overpowering. The menthol in this help like scalp stimulating for hair growth and all of that good jazz. But for me, I don't know. So right now I'm going to go get some gloves and we can start this protein treatment. Alright, so these are the instructions for the protein treatment. It says shake well, cleanse your hair with this shampoo, towel dry, saturate hair with the strengthening protein treatment, comb with a wide tooth comb, leave it on hair uncovered, do not use a plastic cap. Set under medium heat dryer for airflow. You can use your hand dryer, which I'm going to use. Do not comb once it is hard. Rinse out with warm water. Leave on your hair for 3 minutes. I'm going to start section by section. I'm not going to comb it through. My hair's already detangled, but I am going to finger detangle further. So I have it here. It's not as much, so we're trying to coat this. I'm going to spray it on. There's no slip, and you can see that my curls are definitely popping. There's no slip with this whatsoever, so I'm a little nervous, but it says keep on for 3 minutes. So right now I'm gonna twist it on up and work on the next section, and then you'll see me blow dry it, and then I'll come back when it's all hard. So yeah, so I'm about to wash this out because I can feel that it's really sticky on my hair and I don't need as much protein. So I'm gonna go wash it out and I will come back with the deep conditioner. Alright, so I just finished adding the deep conditioner over 3 sections of my hair. I'm trying to speed this video up some. But nevertheless, the deep conditioner is very thick. I did have to take off the top. This also has menthol in it. So my eyes are watering just a little bit when I am using my hair steamer because, you know, I deep condition with my hair steamer 99% of the time now. So I'm going to add a little bit more water. So with that protein treatment, my hair is definitely popping. Like my curls are super popping. This hair mask is definitely putting a little bit of moisture right back into my hair because my hair was super dry. It was so dry. Then again, it's strictly protein. Now again, this contains menthol, so if you are sensitive to menthol or you have sensitive eyes, yeah, this would not be for you. I didn't know menthol was going to bug me as much as it is, but yeah, it really is, guys. It really is. See, my eyes are already starting to water. I gotta look the opposite way because if I look at it, yeah, it's not good. Alright, so I'm just gonna twist up this last set, add just a little bit more deep conditioner. Let this sit in my hair for about 20 minutes and I will be back to show you my hair once I rinse it out. Alright, so I just finished washing out the hair mask and guys, my hair feels soft but not moisturized. I hope that makes sense. My hair feels soft but not moisturized. Definitely feels strengthened. My hair, the elasticity, it's there. Like my hair, the proteins in this definitely worked, okay? I am not mad at that whatsoever, okay? My curls are definitely popping back, guys. Curls are there. So the last thing that I'm going to be using in this line is the leave-in. This spray top is not going to work for me, so I'm just going to add it on in my hands. And yep, there we go. There's no menthol in this. Oh, thank you, Lord. Whew, girl. All of my moisture is back now. Yep. Feels amazing, and you know I always seal it with some oil. Alright, so the twist looks very juicy. It looks super moisturizing. Yeah, thank God for the leave-in because the leave-in was saving this wash day. So I'm going to continue with it all over and I will come back with my final thought. Alright, so I just finished adding the leave-in all over my hair, and let's jump right into these products. Alright, so first off, I did use the shampoo. I did like this shampoo a lot. It made my curls really bouncy. The only thing is that it contains menthol, and washing this out with the menthol, my eyes were burning. My head felt like I was like getting a headache. Yeah, like that's the only downfall of this, is the menthol that's inside of it. I wish it can do without it, because other than that, it will be a really amazing shampoo. I will keep this around. I'm not really big on shampoos, but this one I really did like. But the menthol just knocked it down 80 points. I still have a headache. If it was like peppermint or tea tree, like it would be fine, but something about that menthol, and my eyes were burning while washing it out in the sink. I just did not like that. It was very uncomfortable, and I have a headache. If you don't have any issues with menthol, I highly do recommend this shampoo. But if you are sensitive and with menthol, yeah, this is a no. But this is a no for me. So next up, I did use the protein treatment. So this is another form of the Afro-G protein treatment. I did like this. My curls bounced all the way back, but once I rinsed it out, my hair was super dry. But that's what Afro-G protein treatment does anyways. So yeah, this is a strengthening, strictly protein treatment. So yes, I do recommend this if you have never used protein treatment before. This is really good. It does not have menthol in it, so yeah, I would be buying this again if I am doing another protein treatment. Next up was the hair mask, and once again, this was not as moisturizing as I would have thought. Thank God I used my Carradiu hair steamer, because that just made this melt into my hair. So it did help out with the moisture, but my hair was super dull. It was not moisturized, but it was soft. This is a strengthening hair mask, not as moisturized. I don't think it has any moisturizing properties in here, but once again, it has menthol in it, and I did not like the menthol. I have a headache in the center of my head, but yeah, I did not like this because of the menthol. So for me, it's a no for me. So what saved the day was the leave-in conditioner. My hair is now soft, guys, and moisturized. It's soft and it's moisturized. I sealed it in with oil. I do not like the spray top. You do not need the spray top. I took off the spray top and just poured it in my hand, and I really love this. There's no menthol in it. The smell is amazing. The other products, the shampoo and the conditioner, smell just like menthol, because at first it smells like a candle, but once you like pour it out, you start smelling that menthol. You're like, wait, what is that? But this smells exactly how it's supposed to smell. There's no hidden scents. I love this leave-in conditioner. Love. Look at my twists. They're so juicy, and I love this so much. I would recommend it. I will go out and rebuy this over and over again. I really do love this leave-in, and I'm a sucker for this type of consistency for a leave-in, so I really do love it. So yeah, I do have the hair serum. I did not use it, but I'm gonna add some in right now. You can't really do a review on a hair serum because you have to use it over time, but this does not have any menthol, but I am gonna add this straight to my roots and just massage it in. But yeah, I mean, hair serum, I don't know. It said it's supposed to help with hair growth and breakage, so I'm just gonna add it in, but I don't really have much to say about it. But overall, it's a decent line for those who don't have any sensitivities to like smells and things like that. But I do highly recommend the protein treatment and the leave-in conditioner because I really did like it. And I don't know the price point of it because I did get this in my curl box, and the whole box is $25. So Creme of Nature is pretty affordable, so I'm pretty sure it doesn't cost as much. But I do love the packaging. The packaging is lovely. Okay, I love me a little brown, little green, little gold, I just love that. So it makes me feel nice to see warm colors like that. So thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to catch me on Instagram at KinksandCurves. Don't forget to catch out my other videos, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.